All right, welcome back to a rolling coverage of President Putin's visit to India. Some breaking news coming in. Russian President Vladimir Putin and Prime Minister Narendra Modi are holding their bilateral meeting currently at the Hyderabad House. During the bilateral talks, Prime Minister Modi has told Russian President Vladimir Putin that India always supports peace and stands firmly on the side of peace, referring to the Ukraine conflict. Prime Minister Modi said he believes Russia and Ukraine will soon move towards a path of peace. Russian President Putin expressed gratitude to PM Modi for India's focus on peace initiatives. So that's the latest that we're bringing in. We have, of course, more news coming in. We'll quickly reflect all of those talking points as well. President Putin has told Prime Minister Modi our relations are deeply rooted in history, but it's not words that matter. It's the substance which is profound. Let me bring back Joyita Basu in on this. Joyita, again, a slightly quick mention of Ukraine as far as the talks are concerned, and India reiterating its position that we are and have always been on the side of peace, and we hope that Russia and Ukraine find some sort of a conclusion sooner rather than later. Your thoughts?
Well, you see, I mean, if whatever I have been told, I think this is one of the steps towards peace with, between Ukraine and Russia. But I am not certain whether the West, in particular Europe, is going to be ready for whatever Putin is proposing, because Putin is talking about Donbas. He wants the whole of Donbas. Without Donbas, he is not going to give up. He is not even going to talk peace. I think Trump is agreed to it, and there is already a lot of resistance coming in from the European powers.
प्रयास चल रहे हैं. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि विश्व फिर से एक बार शांति की दिशा में लौटेगा. एक्सेलेंसी, पिछले दिनों विश्व समुदाय के सभी नेताओं से जब भी मेरी बात हुई और उन्होंने जब विस्तार से मेरे चर्चा की, मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि भारत न्यूट्रल नहीं है. भारत का पक्ष है और वो पक्ष शांति का है. हम शांति के हर प्रयासों का समर्थन करते हैं और हम शांति के हर प्रयासों के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिला करके खड़े हैं. पूरे विश्व ने कोविड से लेकर के अब तक कई संकटों से गुजरा है. हम आशा करते हैं कि बहुत ही जल्द विश्व को चिंताओं से मुक्ति मिलेगी और एक सही दिशा में प्रगति के राह पर विश्व समुदाय को एक नई आशा पैदा होगी. एक्सेलेंसी, मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि आज दिन भर हम अनेक विषयों पर चर्चा करने वाले हैं. भारत और रशिया के आर्थिक संबंधों का अधिक विस्तार हो, हम नई ऊंचाइयों को प्राप्त करें. ऐसे बहुत ही आशावादी आउटकम के साथ हम हमारी इस मीटिंग को आगे बढ़ाएंगे, ये पूरा विश्वास है. माय फ्रेंड, मैं फिर से एक बार आपका फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं.
Okay, all right. We've lost that audio once again, but we'll try to quickly bring that back on. Prime Minister Modi is currently speaking. We'll try to bring back a source. But of course, Jayajit Bhattacharya, let me bring you back into the conversation. A slightly fleeting remark there as far as the Ukraine situation is concerned, but we maintain our position and hope that Russia and Ukraine will find a resolution very, very soon.